Hand washing and correct work attire are two key components in keeping food safe. In this video, we're going to walk you through the correct way to wash your hands and some other personal hygiene basics. First, let's look at the correct way to wash your hands. We all know that hand washing is important, right? But did you know that there's a specific way that you should be doing it? The first thing you need to do is wet your hands and arms. Use running water as hot as you can comfortably stand. Next, apply soap. Make sure you apply enough to build up a good lather. Now scrub your hands and arms vigorously. Scrub them for 10 to 15 seconds. And make sure you clean under those fingernails and between your fingers. Once you finish scrubbing, you want to thoroughly rinse your hands and arms. And remember, you should still be using running warm water. To finish up, dry your hands and arms with a single-use paper towel or a hand dryer. So now that your hands are clean, what about the rest of your body? We know it's important to bathe daily, but what about your clothing? The first thing you want to do is ensure your hair is up and away from food. Always wear a clean hat or other hair restraint in the food prep area. And that clean hat shouldn't be the only clean thing you're wearing. Make sure all of your clothes are clean as well. You can see here that Jessica's outfit is spotless. Now we all wear aprons in the back of the house. Not only should those also be clean, but you need to remember to remove them when you're leaving food prep areas. They can be contaminated outside of those areas, and you could then potentially contaminate the food. Lastly, you can't forget your jewelry. All jewelry should be removed from hands and arms, with the exception of plain band rings. That's because jewelry can contain pathogens, which can contaminate food. Both hand washing and wearing the correct work attire are huge parts of keeping food safe. Remember these tips when you're prepping and serving food in your operation.